Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Tuesday, July 28th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit today for you guys. Sit. Thank you. All right. I know I was stating yesterday how heavy these energies are, and it's like a vortex or something. It's kind of crazy. It's like all the energy is kind of collecting, I feel, and I feel like there's going to be kind of an explosion, so to speak. I don't really know when that's going to happen, but I keep getting October. I keep getting something about October, and this is just what I'm getting from my guidance, so I don't know what exactly is going to happen in October. There's something coming. I just don't know what. Don't ask. I have no idea. But I do find that interesting because October is significant for me for many, many reasons. So, and it might be for you guys too. I'm not sure. All right. So let's go ahead and get this started here. All right. So daily message from Spirit. Yeah. Well, this obviously has been a thing for a while, guys. We know that we're ending cycles right now. A lot of us are repeating some cycles here. A lot of us are releasing some cycles. Some of us are recognizing that we've been repeating some cycles, okay? And we've just kind of been procrastinating on ending them. I don't know specifically why. There may be some emotional attachment here. I know yesterday I was talking about what is still needing to be released in the collective, in the Twin Flame Collective. So some of you, it's like you're holding on to some things for some reason still. Like, it's like you're just not quite ready. It's like you're just not quite ready to end this cycle for some reason. Okay? But you have to understand that in order to get out of the situation you're in, you have to change your energy. Okay? And some of you, that's where you're stuck. Some of you still haven't changed your energy. Some of you still haven't moved away or shifted your energy away from the things that are no longer serving you. It's like they're not serving you. But it's like you're sitting there holding on to it due to some sort of deep-seated guilt, and it could be a past life karma thing, past life guilt, kind of betrayal kind of coming up. But I really feel like some of you, there's some guilt stuff. There's some guilt stuff that's coming in really strongly. Okay, yeah, definitely. And it's feeding some confusion energy. Some of you are just like, well, I'm damned if I do, damned if I don't, right? So I'm just going to sit here and wallow in this energy, because I'm afraid that if I let go of what I need to let go, I'm going to feel out of the cold. Somebody else is going to feel left out in the cold. There's this guilt that's coming in. That's what I'm talking about. So that's where the inaction is coming from. It's Two of Wands. You can't see it because this thing's incredibly bright. Okay, let's try that. All right. Yeah, Two of Wands. So, I mean, this is non-action. It's in the reverse. So a lot of you are holding yourselves back still. You're still sitting in that confusion energy because, again, you're afraid. You're afraid that if you let go, somebody or yourself maybe is going to feel left out. Okay, I can't tell you exactly what it is, but that's the energy, okay? And I do feel it's a codependency thing. It could be an emotional codependency. It could be somebody else has emotional codependency on you. You have emotional codependency on somebody else. But I do feel it's bringing up a lot of emotions here. And it's also shattering some illusions that that a lot of us are, again, surrounding love, basically. That's been the main thing, I think, this year. The whole idea, what's the difference between unconditional love and letting someone abuse you? You can still love somebody, but you don't have to allow their behavior. Okay? If it harms you, you don't have to allow that behavior. Okay? Yeah. Where you're at right now, nothing's going to come of that. Okay? So you've got to stop. Okay? You've got to pull yourself out of that. All right? Because a new start is coming for yourself. Once you get yourself out of that, once you change your energy, stop procrastinating, get yourself in a good energy and release that cycle, you're going to soar. Okay? But you have to remember you are good enough. Okay? You don't need to hold yourself to some sort of false value that somebody else has placed on you because of whatever. Okay? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.